In today's video, I will teach you how to add fire or flames realistically to any image using AI. Let's get started. Adding fire or flames to an image can instantly create a dramatic cinematic effect. Whether you want a small campfire, a burning torch, or intense flames around objects, AI can help you achieve realistic results without needing complex photo editing skills. Start by opening ChatGPT in your browser, then log in to your free account. Now click the plus icon in the prompt box, then select Create Image, and you are now in image mode, ready to edit your photo. To upload your image, click the plus icon again, then choose Add Photos or Files, or simply press Ctrl-U on your keyboard. Then select the image that you want to add fire or flames to. And make sure to choose high-quality images with clear subjects to make the flames blend naturally. And now we're going to write your prompt, and be very specific about where and how you want the flames to appear. Here are some good prompt examples. You can include details such as placement of fire, like on the object, background, or subject. You can also mention intensity, like small flames, roaring fire, or sparks flying. You can also put lighting effects, like glow on surrounding objects or shadows. And include style like realistic, cinematic, or painterly. And once your prompt is ready, press enter to let the AI generate your new image with fire. And wait a few seconds to a minute, depending on the complexity. And once the image has been generated, click on the generated image to make adjustments. And you can also type specific changes, but minor refinements often improve realism significantly. And once you're satisfied, hover over the final image, then click download to save it to your computer. And you can also click share to post it directly on social media or to your friends. But take note that free ChatGPT plan only allows up to 5 image generations per day, so upgrade your plan to generate more images if needed. And here are some pro tips for best results. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.